What's up? Hey mom, just calling you to wish you happy Mother's Day. Yeah, but seriously, yeah, that's not why I called. I just called to see if I can borrow some money. $3,000. It's not cheap to own a GX460, you know. The gas is coming up. You don't got no cash? What about that welfare check you've been collecting every month? Give me that money. Give me that money. Or else I'm not going to visit you for Mother's Day. All right. Sweet. I'll be right over. Woo! God damn it. What the hell? The hell is this shit? The hell? Okay. Okay. Oh shit. Woo! Woo! All right. Hello, Mom? Yeah, we're gonna have to make it another time. I have an idea for a new YouTube video. Okay, maybe next year. All right. I love you. All right. Peace in the Middle East. What's up? Hey guys, shit like that ever happen to you guys? Would you guys drop keys and you guys drop cell phones and important documents between your seat and your center console? Well, it's happened to me a lot more times than I'd like to admit. And that's why I went out into the World Wide Web and searched for that perfect doohickey that's going to fill that void in your GX460. I know there's going to be so many products out there, and I only choose products that are going to be GX460 specific, meaning they are going to have the right color, or at least close to it. They are going to have all the benefits that's going to go with our car. If we're going to be tall, short, we're going to move our seats back and forth. I'm going to test all these products, and I'm going to find the right one specifically for our GX460. I actually found a Lexus doohickey. I call it a doohickey because there's really no real word for it. But It is this pad. It's a memory foam pad that goes between your seat and your center console. I found a company that actually makes colors for the GX460. They have it in mocha brown, they have it in black, they have it in ecru, which is an off-white color, and they also have it in performance red. So these are the four most major colors that are for the interior of the Lexus GX460. I haven't opened up these boxes yet. It's still brand new in the box, and I'd like to do an unveiling with you guys. So let's check it out. Here you guys go. Look at this. Okay, because my Lexus GX460 is in a mocha brown, I chose to have their brown, and it's not just any type of brown. Check out the color brown right here. We are going to color match this up to our car to see how close it is. This is their brown, okay? It's gonna come with two pieces. And remember, they have black, red, off-white, okay? So you don't have to worry about it not matching, or you don't have to worry about it being a universal color, because they're gonna have a color for the GX460. I like this because they had the color for my GX460, which is a rare find. Normally you would only find it in black, which is a universal color. What I also like about this is it has this strap right here where your seatbelt goes through. This is great because as you move your seat back and forth, this stays in place. And this is held on by your seatbelt buckle right here. Another good thing about this product is if you see this little slot right here, check this out. It has a cup holder. You can use this cup holder if you got big thighs and this is no good for you, then you can remove it. But people like me with skinny thighs, you can always have this installed right here. Look at that. Let's go ahead and put on the other one. So what I notice about this is one side is curved and the other side is straight. So I'm going to assume the straight side is going to go towards the center console and the curved side is going to go towards your seat, which is perfect. Look at this squishy material. Let's go ahead and install this and check it out, guys. Okay, so far our brown is going to be a different shade of this brown, okay, but I'm sure if you get the red or the black or the ecru, it's going to be a better match. But I'm going to go ahead and test it out anyways. I'm going to take this slot right here, put it around your seatbelt buckle. This holds it in place so it doesn't move on you. I'm going to take my seat and I'm going to push it out. I'm going to shove it all the way down there. And let's check it out, guys. Let's check it out. Clear belt buckle right there, and it fills up the whole entire void right here. There's your cup holder, hangs loose. Very nice. So let's go ahead and check out if this cup holder is going to really interfere with your legs. Not at all. It fits a perfect 12 to 16 ounce can right there. And this is the cup holder right there. Perfect fit. And this is the void that it fills up right there. Perfect. If I were to drop anything, it'd be easily accessible right here. It would drop right here. Let's look at the other side. Look at that. What do you guys think? So there you guys go. What do you guys think? I mean, the brown didn't really match my dark mocha color interior. I'm pretty sure the black and your off-white and your red seats for your GX460s will match so much better. But here's the good thing. The foam pieces, you can shove it in as far as you want and it could be naked to the visible eye of anybody that's looking around your car or whatever. You can't even really see it. The only reason why you saw mine that was so high is because I left it that high in order to demonstrate to you guys how much of a gap that it's filling up and what it's going to look like. So would I buy this? I definitely would buy this, and I'm probably going to get a pair for each one of my cars because I can count how many times I've actually dropped my house keys or an important document down that void of no return, and I would have to go underneath my seat and try to grab it with, like, I don't know, a chopstick or something, and I'm just too old to be bending over backwards looking for stuff underneath that seat. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Peace out.